Hello guys, in this video we will solve the problem of your live being restricted or blocked on TikTok. A very simple method. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who does it. Now let's go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to your TikTok account, then click on the profile icon. After that, click on 3 and Privacy. After that, click on the Help Center and click on Report a Problem. Here you will choose Live. After that, click on Host Live, then click on My Live was automatically terminated. Here, click on No, then click here. After that, you write this message now, which is Hello TikTok support team. My account has been restricted. Note that I did not violate the forum guidelines and respected them, but there is a problem with the restrictions of the Amber, as when I created a TikTok account, I did not put my real age unintentionally. So I attached to you the civil status card, my own, to verify the real age and remove the restriction from my account with my respect and waiting for your response. Now after that, click on Send and wait for them to answer you, and God willing the problem will be solved. This was the topic of today. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries or problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.